Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer, A Time to Laugh, and Maniology MXM048. We're going to start off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as our base coat. And here is MJ Lacquer, A Time to Laugh. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just so peachy yummy. As you can see, my nails are different lengths right now. We're going to do something about that, but I didn't feel like doing it today. So I just wanted to put this on. It's a pink. It's labeled as a pink, but it's got a peach look to it to me. And, you know, I just love it. Well, I guess orange, like a light orange, and tons of hollow. Ugh. I can't get enough of these Crystal Chameleon Flakies. But this bronze peach micro glitter that's in it, oh, you guys won't be disappointed if you grab this one. It's a beautiful polish. And what a great formula. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to dry this one down so we can do some stamping. Isn't that pretty? It'd be great for accent nails, but you guys know all mine are accent nails. I just go crazy. So there we go. Actually, I am going to just go crazy on these today using the Maniology MXM048. And this is Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black, as well as my Monocle Stamper and my Beauty Big Bang Scraper. We're going to get this blue film off of this brand new stamping plate and clean it with some acetone and wipe it down with a paper towel. And I'm going to use this like viney looking image on my thumbnail and my ring fingernail. I guess technically those will be my accent nails. I don't know. I don't know how you want to describe it. I really like this image though. I thought it was really pretty. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get some of this excess polish off of my skin real quick. Get all up under there and around there. Ta-da! And then I'm going to clean that stamper off on my lint roller. And the plate is going to get cleaned off with acetone. We're going to hop right on back in there and grab that image again. Scrape. I'll roll it to pick it up. And get that out of my way. And here we go. Now see, this right here proves that even if you have really short nails, you can still play. You can still make them look gorgeous. And so I'm going to use these little hearts. I'm going to fill them in a little bit, but with another polish. So I guess reverse stamping, advanced stamping, whatever you want to call it. But I liked these images, and this image is the big heart with the two fingers touching. I thought that was pretty cool. Of course, on the nail, I couldn't really, after I filled it in, I couldn't really see that great because of my color choices. And then I'm going to pick up that other little, and that's like the little devil heart. It's got the little devil tail sticking off of it. I'm going to use Aphrodite by Maniology to fill these in. I've got my Maniology 101 brush. It's a really nice tiny detail brush. And so I'm going to just fill these in. And I'm telling y'all, I must have had too much caffeine because I am so shaky filling these in. It's a wonder they turned out as good as they did. I am a caffeine junkie. I'll admit that. So, you know, sometimes I overboard it before I get to doing stuff like this. There we go. Get that top filled in. But these are really cute images, and I think I'm going to really enjoy these plates. Hopefully I get to play with them some more before Valentine's Day. Y'all know these holidays, man, they're just sneaking up on me and passing me by. I'm having a lot of trouble keeping up. So, we'll do what we can. And I'm going to do the same on these other ones too. Flip it over, check it out, looking pretty good. And these are little bitty. You could do this with a dotting tool or a toothpick. And whatever works for you. I am really enjoying this little brush though. I bought many brushes over the years, and I just really like this one for this application for sure. And here we go with our little, I don't even like saying devil heart, but that's what it is. I can't think of anything else. Shaky, shaky girl. There we go. Oh, how cute. Got a little out of it on that one. I'm going to just apply these to the nails. Everything's still a little tacky. I did let those decals dry for a little bit, but I jumped in there before I needed to do any, sticky base or anything. I am going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And I've said Maniology a bunch in this video, so if you're interested in anything from there, I do have a discount code down below in the description box if you're interested. And I just, these are things I grab for. I'm a huge fan. I am going to top everything off with Poshe and seal this design in. Oh, it just looks so pretty. I love when I put that final top coat on there. It just makes my heart happy. Got my little free edge here. But that is my manicure for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I always love hearing from you. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.